10 years ago, my husband Alex and I got married, bought a house, and wanted to have people over for dinner. We realized that we had no idea how to cook a meal for them. We were given a cookbook by Julia Child, and when we opened it, we were so encouraged by her affirmation that anyone could learn to cook, even us.
And we fell in love with this idea that food could be a creative outlet, that it could be fun, that it wasn't just something that you had to get through to get some food on the table.
So we started a blog to share these recipes with new foods we had never tried. We called it A Couple Cooks.
We've realized that a healthy diet doesn't mean following any diet. It means making real meals, eating real food, and dealing with some of the difficulties that come up along the way.
Those are the lessons that we're passionate about because they changed our lives in the way that we viewed cooking and food. So we decided to write a book to share those lessons along with 100 vegetarian recipes that are all the types of recipes that we use in our everyday life. That can be anything from our homemade breakfast cereal that we make all the time, a cauliflower curry that we would make on a weeknight, or something special that we'd save for a weekend, like a homemade pizza. It took us 1 year honing and developing and testing and photographing this collection of recipes. And at the very end, we got a special treat. Our son Larson was born just at the time we were turning in our first draft. A lot of people ask us, how can I make cooking easy? And we tell them it's not easy. But if you learn to love it, it can be pretty simple.